Pre-K through 5th grade students at Dora will be utilizing the Seesaw platform for their instructional lessons. In this video, we will learn how to access the Seesaw program on both the computer and an iPad or tablet. First, let's look on a computer. On any Google or search browser, you can just type Seesaw. Here we have the Seesaw website. If you want to type it straight into your browser, it is seesaw.com. Once on this page, we will choose Log In. I would suggest that you make a bookmark on your browser for your students to quickly get to this page. They're going to choose I'm a student, and they're going to enter a text code. No email or password is required because your teachers will be sending you a passcode. Here I have a passcode for a sample student. And then you hit go. Here is my sample student's page. We will now look on how to access the Seesaw learning platform from an iPad or a tablet that has internet access. Go to your app store. I will be using an iPad. And then go to the search function and search for Seesaw. Several options will appear. Seesaw Class is the app that you will need. Go ahead and download this app. Now I have Seesaw on my home screen. When my child chooses the app Seesaw, it will bring up a screen that looks exactly like the computer. And from this point forward, you follow the same exact steps.